Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So it has been 3 weeks since I got my lock extensions, and I did get a retwist, but I did not go back to the girl that originally did my hair. I like low-key feel like a little bit scammed, I'm not gonna lie, because like just washing my hair, like not like anything vicious or anything like that, like some of the locks came out, like just washing, just boop, there they were. Also, the girl, when I got my hair done, didn't disclose that she was gonna go back to Chicago. It's like, well, if you know you're leaving in like 2 or 3 weeks, let a client know, because then like I'm definitely not gonna be able to get like a retwist from you, or I'm not gonna be able to, you know, any of that kind of stuff. So that kind of like threw me off and kind of like irritated me a bit. And then like the day before my flight, she was like, oh well, come back and I'll reattach them. But it took her like forever to reply, kind of. And I was just kind of like disappointed. Like I shouldn't have to, like they shouldn't fall out. Like it should have been an attachment method suited for my hair. So what I did is I found some alternative attachment methods and I fixed it myself. And then for the back, she like originally I was gonna do an undercut, and she was like, oh, that's probably gonna be a lot of maintenance to keep up a haircut and then also, you know, keep up a retwist. But for me, like my hair was pretty thin here, because, and having tension from Locs, just like an extension added onto it, like I could tell it was like thinning more. Like that wasn't a good decision. I should have just cut it off like I was thinking. So after like some of the like seeing a lot of things, like I just kind of just like didn't even bother trying to be like I want some of my money back. Like I just decided just to drop it. And then from now on, I'm gonna have my step niece, I guess that's how you would say it, do my retwists. And I also got the needles, and I reattached this lock in the front here, this one here. And then you can see like this is all my hair from the retwist, but like the way she did it, you can see it's just like like the hair, and then it just like bulk, like, which I was so excited, I didn't really pay attention to that before. But I'll post pictures. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this before or after, but I have 2 pictures that I took after like washing my hair and the retwist and everything. But I kind of should have known when she said, oh, the next time you like wash your hair and stuff, I don't suggest doing a what is it called, a 2-strand twist, because that's what I really want eventually, is a 2-strand twist everything. And I figure like, well, if it's permanent and you attached it well, like why shouldn't I be able to style the hair at all, unless you know that you didn't do a really good job at it. And that's like, it is what it is. I'm just gonna deal with it as I go. But yeah, that's my update. But I am on a mini vacay visiting my best friend in Oregon, so I'm just enjoying it here, enjoying some snow, because I don't get that really. I have to like travel a little bit either north or east to get like the mountains and stuff like that and snow. But yeah, so I've just been keeping it in a just high up kind of, and then I don't even double twist anything. Like I just put like 1 rubber band or like 1 hair tie just to put it up there, or you know, like no tension whatsoever. So we'll see how this journey goes, but it's an interesting ride so far. So if you want to see how everything pans out, just, you know, rate, comment, and subscribe, and follow along. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.